Depression is not just a sadness, it is a serious mental health that can destroy a person's confidence, motivation, and relationship. People who suffer from depression often lose interest in activities they once enjoyed, withdraw from social interaction, and struggle to express their feelings. Depression also affects productivity and performance. Many individuals who experience it find it hard and concentrate, study, or work effectively. As a result, their goals and dreams are delayed or even lost. Depression also affects an emotional struggle. It affects the way people think, act, and interact with others. Many who suffer from it lose interest in social activities, become isolated, and feel disconnected from the world around them. It also affects the mind and body. Many people lose focus in school or work, have trouble sleeping, lose their appetite, and feel tired all the time. Depression affects communities by reducing social participation and cooperation. It can lead to stigma where people are judged or misunderstood instead of being supported. Furthermore, depression can harm relationships as people may misunderstand the behavior of someone who is struggling. It can create tension and emotional distance between loved ones. Depression can also lead to isolation. People start avoiding family and friends, believing that no one understands them, and the worst, if left untreated, depression can push someone to self-harm or even think about ending their life.